How to stop WhatsApp photo saving to camera roll on iPhone. In this video, I will show you how to back up WhatsApp messages to new phone. Start by opening the WhatsApp application on your phone. You are now in the WhatsApp chats page where you can view all your chats. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Settings on the right corner. Scroll down and go to Chats. On this page, you can view and manage your WhatsApp chat settings. Go over to the Save to Photos feature and turn it off. This feature automatically saves photos and videos you receive to Photos. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily stop WhatsApp photos saving to camera roll on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.